Hi, this is Kirk with Line Dance Salt Lake, Utah. Are you ready to get your line dance on? Now let's go over the steps in the dance. Weight starts on the left foot. We're going to slide to our right. We're going to slide right, bring the left foot in, slide to the right, and step, step. Section 2, we're going to slide to the left. We're going to slide, bring the right foot in, slide, step, step. Next section, we're going to take our right foot. We're going to do a kick, ball, change, kick, ball, change. From here, we're going to do a set of chugs doing a quarter turn to our left. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're at our new wall to start the dance over. Now let's go over the counts in the dance. Weight starts on the left foot. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you're at your new wall, and that is two-step. Thanks for watching. You could be a line dance slut too. Like, subscribe, and share. See you on the dance floor.